How to make a LinkedIn profile for freshers. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this full guide. So if you would like to know that, then definitely watch the video till the end. And if it was helpful, then please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started. So what I did was simply search for LinkedIn over here. Once I got here, I just simply clicked on the first link. I'll just click on join now and got to this page. Now over here, you obviously want to fill in your email address and password, or you can actually continue with Google as well if you would like to. Here you want to agree and join, and you have to fill in your first name and last name, then click on continue. Here you want to fill in your country and region, postal code and location within this area, and once you have done that, click on next. And here you can actually put in a recent job title or I'm a student. Now you probably want to click on I'm a student, so I'll just click on there as well. Here it says school or college, university, start year, end year, and your age. So you want to fill all of this in. So I'll just fill something in random because, you know, I'm not actually a student anymore. I just did this real quick, and here you have to select if you are actually over 16. So if you aren't, then you have to add a date of birth, but I actually don't know if you aren't 16 what will happen. Let's say I were to put 2008. Okay, that's actually possible, but I'll just stick with I'm over 16 and then click on continue. And then here it says confirm your email. So you have gotten a code in your email address. You want to put that in here. And here it says, are you looking for a job? So you can decide which you would like to do. When you choose the top or middle one, you can actually fill in a job which you would actually like to work with or to do. And then when recruiters are on LinkedIn, they can actually find you for that specific job and look at your profile and think, hey, this person might be actually good for this job. But if you aren't interested and you just click on no, then you don't have to do all of that. So choose which one you would like to. Then here, if you have actually saved contacts and connect them to your email address, then you can actually click on continue, and then LinkedIn will sync your contacts with LinkedIn, so that you can find your friends or, you know, personal contacts on LinkedIn as well. If you don't want that, you can also click on skip. Now here it says connecting with people lets you see updates and keep in touch. Now when you don't select that you're a student, but you select that you are doing a specific job instead, then a lot of people that do the same job will pop up in here. But since I'm a student, this doesn't. So I can actually manually search for people, but I actually don't know really anyone. So I'll just skip it for now. Here you also have to add a profile picture, preferably yourself, and then skip or just add that. And then here you can also get the app with this QR code, or simply just go to the app or Play Store. Next, and then here you actually have to follow a couple of companies. It does say we could recommend following 5 sources to find content you care about, but you can also just follow like 1 or 2. It does not really matter. So I'll just follow something random, for example this, and then click on finish, and there we basically go. This is how it will now look like. And that's how you can create a LinkedIn profile for freshers. I hope this video helped you out. Please do let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.